Hello and welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. So today is the 1000 subscriber video. Thank you guys so much. I cannot thank you enough. I appreciate every person that subscribed to this channel. You guys are the first 1000, so you will never be forgotten. And I appreciate every share and like, and even people saying stuff that just gave me pointers or constructive criticism on the channel, so that we can all learn here and keep growing as this community grows. It really means a lot to me. Like, I put a lot of effort into this, and to get as much back as I'm putting in really helps me find motivation to keep making good content for you guys. And so I told you guys that I had a surprise for you, and the surprise is that within the next 3 months, so before the 30th of the 6th month of the year, so within 3 months, we're going to have a beginner course out on my channel, and you will be able to sign up and take that course, and it will be a huge series with in-depth content on how to do crypto trading and stuff like that. So that's the big announcement for you guys. And I also have some good stuff coming. I'm going to do a live stream and a video tomorrow, so be watching for that as part of the 1000 subscriber gifts, to show my appreciation for you guys. And then also, if we go to my screen here, I want to shout out some people. First of all, shout out to everybody that's on the Discord and everybody that's constantly talking on here. I see you guys on here a lot, and I really appreciate keeping the community healthy. We've always got more people on here, and it's always growing. So go ahead and join the Discord chat. You can do that by coming over to the Discord chat channel right here and clicking on that link. And I really appreciate that. And something else that's funny to me, I see you guys, that all these people that comment on every single video and say, what do you think about, and then put whatever coin that is here. They always ask me questions like that, and I think you guys, I think that's funny. I appreciate you guys. I mean, I'll try and answer as best I can, but just know it's my advice, and I can't be right on everything, but I will answer to the best of my knowledge when I can. But I think it's funny, on all my videos, people will just be like, what do you think about so and so? Just ask me what I think about the direction of a certain market. And I think that's cool, and that's something you can really only do in crypto, because there's only so many markets right now. Like other places, it's a little bit harder. Like the stock market, there's so many stocks that you can kind of get lost in all of them. This is a lot more simple for sure. There's some interesting stuff going on right now, like I'm just going to point out some interesting moves in the market for you guys today, and if I can get around to another video today, I will, but I can't promise anything. For sure I'll have 2 videos out tomorrow, though, a live stream and a video. My live stream is at 7 p.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. So yeah, XB, Bitcoin Plus and Bitcoin Dark. These ones, Bitcoin Plus is up 340. Bitcoin Plus is up 111%, excuse me. So we're having a lot of big swings in all of the Bitcoin markets, including Bitcoin itself. So let's check out Bitcoin really fast here. Bitcoin dollar, where is, okay, Bitcoin dollar. So we're having pretty big moves in all of the markets, specifically money going into the Bitcoin markets. I think it's due to speculation. I feel like Bitcoin is going to do really, really well if the fork happens and like everything goes through as planned, because it's not like this just shows that the community is willing to actually update it. Because honestly, if we're not willing to update Bitcoin, it will die. So like if we don't continue updating it and making it a better protocol for what it is, it will die. So it might, I think it just shows that if it can live through this, it will be really good for Bitcoin. I'll bet you it will just skyrocket in value, because not that it doesn't already, but at that point, like, you basically don't have to you don't have to worry about like the scaling debate as much, because it shows that people are still willing to update Bitcoin. And if we are still willing to update Bitcoin and keep it going, then I don't see it going anywhere. So yeah, we're still trading inside of this triangle here, the big Bitcoin triangle that I've noticed. I will say that there's pretty good entries along in this bottom just below the RSI. It's been giving good entry signals, so be paying attention to that. Yeah, those are really good entries. And it seems to be giving pretty good exits too. So yeah, I look at it with the relative strength index. I highly recommend starting to look into that. It's an indicator I've been using more, and it's been helping me a lot recently. Yeah, but Bitcoin is just really pumping right now, and it could go really high from here. I'm just saying that Bitcoin could go, it's not, people aren't lying when they say it could go to $10,000. There's nothing saying it couldn't be that valuable. It's infinitely dividable. It's a mathematical programmable currency. Like, it can obviously be molded to what we need and when we need it to change. If we do, we can. And I think that's what we're really seeing here, honestly. I feel like Bitcoin could do really well. It could fall, it could break and fall its trend, but I don't see it yet. I don't see anything pointing towards it dumping off super heavy or anything like that. Yes, we've been downtrending for the past little while, but I like to buy Bitcoin on days like these or on days like these, because you can always come back and resell later. It always swings back up. If the market doesn't go all the way up and keep trending in a new direction, you can always resell later at a small gain on purchasing on days like that. So yeah, but I really appreciate all this support. I think there's good things happening in the markets right now. We're seeing a lot of money going to the Bitcoin stuff, a lot of money into Ethereum, a lot of money into Dash. Basically everything is doing really well. And I want to point out that I've talked about how all of these would go up. I said that Monero could go to $22, and it basically perfectly hit that. Like, a lot of these things I've been talking about for over a year now. So it's really good to see all of them fulfilling and everybody joining in the community. So again, I appreciate that. I try and get back to everybody as much as I can. I try and keep the community growing, and we're all learning here, so I appreciate any advice you guys can give me, and expect more great content to come. I mean, this is just the beginning, really, the first 1,000, and we're gonna see great things from here. I've got lots of good plans. This channel has a lot of potential, and people have been telling me that, and a lot of people all around, the world have been talking to me, and I've been talking with them and helping them out and giving them ideas, and they're giving me ideas, and it's really just good to have a place where everybody can come together. And so I think that's really what my channel is about, is bringing all of these people trading cryptocurrency together to one place to all benefit each other. So again, share this video with your friends, and give me any comments or whatever feedback form you like, or whether it's a like or dislike or whatever. Just go ahead and let me know. And like I said, be expecting for those 2 videos tomorrow. I've got one that's going to be doing a prediction of my trades that I've predicted in the past, so it'll be like a prediction montage basically of some stuff that I've done, just to kind of show you some indicators I've used in the past, some things that were pointing out that it would go a certain direction in the past that I can show you I've done and successfully predicted. I'm gonna have like the videos where I say or where I think it's going and stuff, you know, and how I've determined those things. So expect that. And then I'm doing the live stream tomorrow at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, excuse me. And so yeah, be watching out for those two things. Thank you for tuning in today. Go ahead and hop over to digitalcurrencytraders.com and try out these free courses, or you can use my promotion code for this $449 course and lifetime membership. I highly recommend it. You can use my promotion code and get 20% off of that with High Altitude 20. I took both these courses, and I highly recommend Lumbridge City. He taught me a lot of what I knew at the start and kind of helped get me excited. You know, he was really the first making YouTube videos on this type of stuff, specifically trading on Poloniex, so, or at least one of the first. So I really appreciate that, and he does a lot of good things for the community. So go ahead and check that out and sign up with my promotion code. If you check out, you can get 20% off the lifetime membership. And again, I will see you guys tomorrow. So thank you for tuning in. As always, stay profitable with all your trading. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.